Famous van life travelers Chris McCandless. Chris McCandless was an American adventurer who abandoned his life of privilege to live in the Alaskan wilderness. He died of starvation in 1992 after spending 4 months alone in the wild. McCandless's story was popularized by John Krakauer's book Into the Wild, and he has since become an iconic figure among van lifers. Alexandra Pereira. Alexandra Pereira is a Portuguese van lifer who has traveled over 50,000 miles in her van. She is known for her beautiful Instagram photos and her inspiring blog posts about van life. Pereira is an advocate for slow travel and sustainable living. Kiera Van Nest. Kiera Van Nest is an American van lifer who has been traveling the world with her dog Luna since 2015. She is known for her minimalist lifestyle and her focus on mindfulness and personal growth. Van Nest is an advocate for solo female van life and has helped to inspire other women to follow their dreams.